as always, sound check, sound check, sound check. Everybody give me a second. Give me a second, give me a second. YouTube working, stream working, OBS working, there you go. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good morning to New York, 10 a.m., coffee time. Good afternoon to Geneva, you know, midday snack, 4 p.m. Kuala Lumpur, 10 p.m. It's 1 time and they are sleeping in Sydney, 1 a.m. Everybody, this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Welcome. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. Never forget, with the right information, right? You need to repeat every single day. With the right information, I can make it. I can become a consistently profitable trader. And you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy, everybody. And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. We are still in the Forex trading week, everybody. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact. In a second, everybody, need to quiet the cell phone, right? Works like magic, you know, nobody is bothering me until I'm streaming. And then for business, you know, extra webinars, seminars. We talked about yesterday, right? Yesterday we talked about fast track. If you want to speed up your learning curve, October 28th, Saturday. Whoa, this is next Saturday. Wow. Next Saturday, AM New York time, online on Zoom, we have the workshop. This is for beginner traders, not advanced. How to build a strategy that works for you. Alright, there is only one correct way to build your strategy. Only one way. What is this one? Your strategy must be in synergy with who you are. And for, oh, do you have anything for advanced? Advanced trader workshop, the Lambo, you know. Learn how to maximize the profits with the US dollar index basket trading. And here just an example, you know. Going long on USD CAD, shorting NZD, shorting GBP, shorting Euro, and shorting AUD. All of them are with the dollar, and all of them, this was a basket trade. Alright, but this is not for beginners. And it happens online on Zoom or Skype or whatever. Alright, everybody. Hedge fund trader Yaroslav, hedge fund trader Clara, Ala, Shola, Ernesto. Who else is there? Julius. Julius, are you trading, Julius? Trade ideas, everybody. Long, short, sideways. Crown, Fibonacci, patterns. Or as yesterday, if you have a currency pair that it's making you headaches, or you have a currency pair that it's, like Clara said, oh, I feel bad, just type in the chat. Alright? Yesterday we analyzed currency pairs. Yesterday Clara was asking about GBP, CHF, USD, JPY, CHF, JPY, right? Yes, there is no right or wrong. Boss, aren't we supposed to trade? Well, I'm here to help you, right? And everybody, I'm streaming on another platform. Sometimes some comments don't come on YouTube, alright? And somebody was just asking, you know, aren't we supposed to trade if somebody is suffering, you know? NJ Forex again. I'm not, oh, there you go. Hey, the cat chart. You need to refresh. Give me a second. You need to refresh. You need to refresh. There you go. Alright, everybody, this is AUD CAD. Let's move forward, right? Let's check some other pairs. Let's check the euro pairs. And let me see the positions. Last time it was me, Julius and Ala entering the market. Nothing changed from yesterday. My positions are still down, floating loss, floating loss, floating loss. Julius, if you are here, say hello. You are in a profit going long on GBP NZD, and Ala, it's long on USD CAD. Alright. Boss, can you show me GBP? Yes, I can. Somebody wants to see Julius trade GBP NZD. Remember everybody, don't copy trades, make sense? If the trade doesn't make sense to you, don't copy it. Alright? Why not? Because Julius might manage the trade, right? Alright? Julius might manage the trade and you might not manage the trade. This was Julius' trade. Double bottoms. It went out of consolidation. Doing well, doing well. Congratulations to you, Julius. Doing good. Alright. And Ala is buying USD CAD consolidation, I believe. No, there is no right or wrong. Boss, doesn't anybody trade the 15-minute chart? Not that I know of on Dukascopy webinars, Dukascopy streams. Not that I don't know, not that I know. But you can, if you have a trade idea, everybody just type in the chat, right? 1 hour chart, wow. USD CAD for the last 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 hour chart. Let's go on the 4 hour chart. Yes, we learned candlestick formations too. And Forex again. Not working. It's frustrating, right? It's frustrating, doesn't show anything. So maybe this one. Oh, it's a system here. So let's go here, everybody, 4 hour chart. And there is no right or wrong. So this was mine, right? And then I didn't enter here. I lost the train again. Counter train up in here maybe. You know, but now this is nice. But I'm not going to, everybody makes sense? It's Ala is already in. I'm not going to double the the same position. Let's find another one, shall we? Euro, let's talk about the euros. We don't talk much about Euro AUD. Any ideas how we're going to make money on Euro AUD, everybody? No, I mean there is no right or wrong, but try not to stay out. Try not to stay out, alright? Yes, you can ask other questions, not a problem. This is Euro AUD monthly chart. Alright, what do you see on Euro AUD monthly chart? Type in the chat, everybody. Do you see Euro AUD that's like something that is going to go down? There is no right or wrong. You have the short-term view, you have the long-term view, right? On all time frames. We've learned about that, right, in the previous lessons. And everybody, if you are new to the show, I started on TradingView again. Today we are having, after Dukascopy webinars, we are at lesson number 3 on TradingView. Now Dukascopy is on TradingView too. Alright, everybody, no brainer, right? How do you see Euro AUD weekly chart? There is no right or wrong. high, and give me a second. That's a high. Is that a low? Out? No, it's not a low, so we have a high. And we have a low. Boss, why are we looking at the weekly? Now you got me angry. The higher, and at least if you are a beginner, you are excused, but if you are advanced, the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. When you see a weekly candle and you are a day trader, when you see a weekly candle like this, what is this weekly candle telling you? Type in the chat. Is this weekly candle telling you, oh, the market is going to go up 7 times out of 10? Or is this candle telling you that the market is going to go down 7 times out of 10? And Yaroslav was asking, oh, what is this statistic? It's not statistic, it's a quote from, I need to think in probabilities, right? Hello Shola, how are you? Shola, any trade ideas today? Shola, did you enter any trades today, or do you have any currency pairs that are making you headaches? Like yesterday, Clara was asking about GBP CHF, Canada, USD CHF, CHF JPY, and USD JPY. Why? But this is how you grow, everybody. Don't be shy. Makes sense? If you are on euro dollar and you entered 4 times, example, and you lost 4 times, ask for euro dollar. Type in the chat, boss, euro dollar is making me headaches. I have a stomachache because of euro dollar. Boss, I don't understand euro dollar. Alright? This is how we learn. Shola, what are we going to do? Hedge fund trader Shola. How do we watch on TradingView? Great question. I'm not sure. You need to go to TradingView. Let's put on Google, right? TradingView. It's in Portuguese, you're going to be in English. You click on TradingView and you have community, Shola, and you have streams. It's in Portuguese, right? So you have products, community, and then you go to live streams, alright? And here you have different stuff. Well, this is just in Portuguese, so... Oh, because BR, so give me a second. Not BR, but... This is for Portuguese community. Oh, there you go, it's in English. TradingView.com streams, community, live streams. Alright, and somewhere down in here, education, off topic. There you go. Can you see it, Shola? Lesson number 3 today. If the stream is going to work, sometimes it doesn't work. Dukas copy too. I believe we are ending the Forex course 101. I believe we are going to start from scratch. I need to check the titles, right? Alright everybody, Euro AUD, daily chart, risk reward ratio, what do you think? Come on, it's not that difficult, come on. What is this chart telling you? What is this chart? What is this one? Take profit? I'm right. I'm in Euro AUD. Give me a second. Euro AUD, me, yeah, I am long on Euro AUD. Not sure about take profit, no. Higher, higher, higher. There you go. And the stop loss is where? I don't have the stop loss. Stop loss, everybody give me a second. Add stop loss. Stop loss in points 200, 2000, 200. Submit, submit. There you go. Stop loss goes. Let me see what is the stop loss. It doesn't show on the weekly. Stop loss. Alright, and click and move it down there, there you go. This is the stop loss, take profit, click and move further up. There you go. I don't trade, I travel, all good. Talking about the news event, right? News events, we forget about news events. Give me a second. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 18th. Whoa, we have 9:30 my time, everybody. We have AUD, unemployment change. Wow. AUD, and I'm shorting AUD with the beginners group, everybody. Give me a second. This is the trading.live group, everybody. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Trade. And I need to go here. Where is Costa, Michael, boss? This one? Give me a second. No, maybe this one. Alright, there you go. So symbol, shorting AUD CAD, shorting AUD, long on Euro AUD, long on GBP, right? And I have 4 positions talking about AUD, right? Euro New Zealand doing good so far. So far. Yes, let's talk about the euros a little bit, right? So Euro AUD, give me a second. Open, Euro, where is the Euro AUD, Euro CAD. Let's see what's happening on Euro CAD. Euro CAD was difficult to trade for the last few months. Euro CAD was not easy, everybody. What do you mean? It was not efficient. But maybe today, right? Give it a second. And oh, let's see what is happening. EuroCAD daily chart. There is no right or wrong. What do you see, everybody? Maybe consolidation, just maybe small consolidation, right? Just maybe. We don't have a crown yet, you know. Boss, can we go long? You can do anything you want. But this market didn't. If Julius is here, I'm going to ask Julius. Julius, do you see a crown? Julius, do you see a crown? Moving forward, open EuroCAD, Euro CHF. I was topped out on the beginner account, everybody, on Euro CHF. I was topped out on CHF JPY. We made money, but then we lost money. See, CHF JPY, we made some money. Then I re-entered, I lost. Alright, so Euro CHF still going down. Not going to short this one now, sir. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Alright, these streams are not trading or investment advice. If it makes sense to you to short Euro CHF, short Euro CHF, Euro GBP. Give me a second. Shola, are you ready for next year, Shola? I'm not touching this one either, everybody, but this is me. Alright? Not touching this sucker. Not comfortable. Not trending. Euro JPY. Maybe Euro JPY, right? Some of you know Heraldo. Heraldo is talking about for 2 months about the Bank of Japan intervention. I'm not sure because I don't follow the news. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, but Heraldo said, well, maybe the Japanese bank is going to intervene. Not sure about this one too, everybody. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, but this one, you know, Euro JPY, making money on Euro JPY. Long term, short term, not sure. Exactly, you don't need to trade everything and anything, you know. Why try to? It's going to take some time, everybody, for you to understand that not all the currency pairs every day are worth your time. Don't waste your time on markets that are not trending, you know. Euro New Zealand 4-hour chart, and I'm going to clone chart, and I'm going to put it down here, 4-hour, and this is going to be the weekly chart. See the difference, everybody, between, look at the difference between Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro CAD, and look at Euro New Zealand. Fair enough? Why would you waste time on those suckers when you have a beautiful trend? This is the weekly chart, Euro New Zealand weekly chart. Boss, but there is no right or wrong. I agree with you. See the prediction we made? This was the prediction we talked about. Alright, the market was retracing, and we predict, alright, we don't know where, so the market could reverse at this past support, at this past support, at this past support, at this past support, you know. You have counter trendline break number 1. Now, of course, this market must reverse, so I am going to, on the beginner account, we are going to profit take up here somewhere, right? The market is going to hit past resistance in a downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower, it's high, but there is not, it's a low but not a high, not a low, not a low. Alright, so this was the downtrend. And if this is the first extension leg, the market is going to go, it's going to be rallying. Technically speaking, no fundamentals, maybe just up in here, and then it's going to hopefully retrace, and then it's going to hopefully continue, go back up. Boss, how do you know? Well, number one, I don't know, but probabilistic thinking, everybody. What is the grandfather telling you? Right? What is the grandfather telling you? There is no right or wrong. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement. This was a high, but there are no lows, so this is the high, right? And a second, everybody. Talking about the weekly chart, right? Look at the beautiful trend. Euro New Zealand. It cannot get better than this, everybody. You know, this is the school book or the textbook, you know. Market is trending beautifully. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on the weekly. Do we agree, everybody, that you can see, or maybe not, it's all about the skill, that you can see a beautiful trend on the weekly chart? Boss, but I'm a day trader. That's the skill. Figure out where and how to enter during those. Take advantage of this extension. Take advantage on this extension. Take advantage on this extension. And you should have took advantage on Skype. We have what it's called the analyst folder. It's for free, everybody. You can join for free. Alright, it's called the analyst folder, and this is where I am yelling at you, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you didn't trade Euro New Zealand long, why not? And I don't want to hear, oh, my strategy. You have 5 days of bullish movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to hear my strategy. I don't want to hear this excuse. Fair enough? Boss, but it's true. Change the strategy. Change the strategy. If a beginner group on the Forex course 101, we are together for 1 month and a half. If a beginner group can enter Euro New Zealand, and you, the advanced trader, been through the Fibonacci Mastery course and been through the US dollar basket index, whatever, you know, and you are not entering. Do we agree, everybody? Does it make sense? Something, it's not, there is no judging anybody, it's all about education. But if I'm 4 years in the making, 5 years, you know, if I am, let me help you. Clara and Julius know already. So 4, 5, 7, 9, 12 years in the market. How many of you are 4 years in the market, 5 years, 7 years, 9 years, 12 years? And if you are not making any money, everybody, you need to understand that you need to work on technical knowledge, which is strategy plus market. I'm not sure why it's like this. Alright, there you go. Alright, going to, alright, everybody, technical knowledge, strategy plus the market, or you need to work on psychological slash emotional knowledge. It's all good news. It's good news. It's not bad. It's good news. Why? Because those two are a learnable skill. Does this make sense to everybody? Type in the chat. Yes, it makes sense, boss, or type in chat. No, it doesn't. You don't understand. I'm 9 years in the market and I didn't. It's still about the strategy. Maybe you need to work on this one. I'm telling you, everybody, it's common sense. If a beginner group can enter long Euro New Zealand, and this is just one, tomorrow is going to be another one, and you didn't, after 9 years, something is wrong. Not judging anybody, not wrong as a person, you know, but talking about the knowledge. Something is not right. Make sense? And we talked about yesterday, you know, we talked about Marcus Bacan, one of, still my, you know, friendship doesn't change. One of my best friends, you know, 9 years, maybe, you know, maybe you are not coachable. Talk to me, everybody, does this make sense? Talk to me. If I'm not making it in 9 years, 9 years, come on, 9 years. 7 years, it's time. It's time, 7 years, I'm 7 years in the markets and I'm not making it. Maybe, I mean, it's good news, it's a learnable skill, but maybe I'm not coachable. Maybe I'm not coachable. Make sense? Boss, help me. You must talk to yourself, everybody. I'm going to try to help you. Alright? Now this is the help. This is me trying to help you. You are 7 years. You could be 5 years. 1 year it's not enough. 1, 2, 3 years it's all good, everybody. No big deal. If you're 5 years in the market, 5 years it's time. If you are 7 years in the market, 7 years it's time too. If you are 9 years in the market, and if you don't have the result, this is just an example, I'm not bragging or telling, oh, look at me, you know, we're all the same, this is nothing special. But you need to talk to yourself, alright? You need to look at yourself objectively, and you need to talk to yourself, well, you know, how do I talk to myself? With logic and being, you know, how can you talk to yourself? Number one, you can say to yourself, all right, I'm 5 years in the market, 7 years in the markets, 9 years in the markets, all right, so I'm not stupid. Fair enough? I can tell to myself, all right, let's do it all again, let's see what's happening, because I had enough as a trader. I'm 9 years in the market, so I know one thing, I'm not stupid. Alright, so this is number one. Pat yourself on the back, you know you're not stupid. Douglas is going to say, yes you are. Well, hope not, right? Because it's a learnable skill. If you talk to Douglas, he's going to tell you, you are stupid exactly because you are 9. Calm down. So objectively, you know, and then you need to talk to yourself. All right, maybe, you know, maybe I'm missing something in here after 9 years, or maybe, just maybe, I'm missing something in here after 9 years. All right, this is the next step. You are getting aware. And then it's the difficult self-talk, okay? So if I'm missing some technical knowledge after 9 years, and I'm not stupid, or am I missing some emotional, psychological knowledge, and I know I'm not stupid, you know, why? Where is the reason? It's a self-talk. Alright? And it depends how grown up you are, you know, we have also adult babies, you know, somebody's going to be 40, 50, 60 and they're still babies, you know. Well, what would this be? They don't take responsibility, you know, they just blame everybody else. Oh, they blame the strategy, they blame the market, they blame the broker, they blame the coach, they blame the dog, and they blame the cat. And some of them, they blame God too, you know. Those are adult babies. I know some of them. I have some friends and family, and they are adult by age, but they are babies, you know. They're not adult really. Adults. So if I'm an adult, then I must talk to myself, all right, you know, so maybe, you know, maybe I'm not coachable. I am 9 years in the markets. I have a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience. I do. But no money, no dinero, no money. So maybe, maybe I'm not coachable. Would this be a way to go, everybody? Would this be a way to self-talk yourself? If you're not making it after 7 years, it's time. Maybe I'm not coachable. And I know what I'm talking about because I was not coachable for 5 years. For 5 years. Everybody, do you want to see, because I'm keep repeating the story, do you want to hear the story about me not being coachable and how my life changed? Type in the chat, yes, tell us the story, or type in the chat, no, let's continue with, what is the next one? Euro, this is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, and the next one is Euro Dollar. Type in the chat, everybody, if you want to hear the story, or if we continue with Euro Dollar. Yes, you need to talk to yourself. Make sense? It's a learnable skill. I don't care, you can have a business, you could have a job. Alright? Why not? Because you have other people making it after 5 years, 7 years, and they do have a business and they do have a job. And again, Forex, Euro Dollar, daily chart. Where is Julius talking about crowns, huh? Where is Julius now? There is no right or wrong. Give me a second. Retracement on the short-term trend is not the same. The retracement on the short-term trend is not the same as the retracement on the market wave. Alright, everybody, this was you shorting the market and losing, and this was you going long on the market, right, and losing too. Premature entry going long. By the way, the false breakout too. Give me a second. We are still below the, not above, but below the downtrend line. Going down. Lower low, lower high. So we have here, everybody, higher high, false breakout, and now we are going to see. It's too soon. If the market makes another lower low, it's going to be another false breakout. But if the market makes a higher high, then we are in a retracement mode. There is no right or wrong. Talking about Euro Dollar, alright, talking about Euro Dollar. Not sure is, you don't need to trade everything, makes sense, everybody? This is what puzzles the beginner trader. It made a higher high, but then it broke the counter trend line. Alright, so you are in this mode, and it's frustrating and it's difficult. It's called the wedge, right? Wedge, pennant, whatever. You don't need to trade everything and anything, alright? Boss, what about the GBPs? Alright, give me a second. So GBP AUD. Oh, somebody was asking GBP USD. The higher time frame controls price action. GBP AUD monthly chart. GBP AUD monthly chart. broke fib several times. We went up and down, up and down, up and down. We are here on the monthly. What about the, give me a second everybody, I cannot clearly see. Need to readjust. Weekly here too. Weekly chart, GBP AUD weekly chart. Maybe, just maybe. Retracement, extension. Alright. GBP AUD trend lines. This would be one. This would be the second one. And we can go to GBP daily chart, GBP AUD. I'm long on GBP AUD. Market almost hit the extension, the Fibonacci, made the lower low, making lower lows or highs, and now it's making higher highs, higher low, higher high. It's going to be about the news announcement, everybody. And before we finish for today, GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Give me a second. You need to follow, exactly, you need to follow your strategy rule. Shola, how many months of my FX book do you have so far? During the class we're going to check my FX book, everybody. And GBP USD, wow, GBP USD. Out this one, out this one. Not sure about. Daily chart, not sure about. Oh, this is the long-term trend line. Yes, everything is on the chart. Alright, extended, right? Extended. There you go. Out this one, not relevant anymore for the analysis. Where is Julius? For the crown. Left tip, center tip, right tip. Crown potentially. Potentially, everybody. But otherwise you have here strong support if the market is going to fall. And talking about the weekly chart in here, what is this one? GBP weekly chart. There you go. Extension, retracement, extension. Talking about levels of past support, right? You have one here, one here. Do we have more? Past support. I'm not seeing more of the highs. Alright, everybody. Those are the lows, so prediction. If the market comes down to here and reverses and makes a crown, I'm going to buy this one. I'm not going to buy right now. I'm not going to short it either. Those two candles on the weekly are bulls and bears fighting for control. Can you see it, everybody? And this suggests consolidation. Market went down, 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 and back up. And then the market went up, 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 and back down. And now we are in the middle. So this suggests consolidation mode. I'm going to predict consolidation. I'm going to make my educated guess. Consolidation mode. Alright. So not going to go long until the market gets out of consolidation and the trend line. So we can go on trading view again, use the advantage hour technology, GBP USD, give me a second, GBP USD, daily chart and trend line, horizontal ray, there you go, from here to here. I'm predicting consolidation from here to here. Bulls and bears are fighting for control, so I'm going to put an alarm somewhere, add an alert, and when this alert happens, wait for a retracement and buy. Alright everybody, this is what I'm going to do. This is no trade investment advice, we are here to learn. Alright, weekly bulls and bears are fighting for control, so I am going to wait for the market to get out of consolidation, retrace, and then I'm going to buy it. That's the plan. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a responsible business owner, trade like a boss. Remember, you are the boss of your account. This is a business.